If you are a real estate investor, or you are a landlord, or you are a real estate developer, come closer. I'm going to be showing you how you can use this laser measurement tool to measure the spaces of your building with ease. You don't need this one, neither do you need this. Without wasting your time, let me show you how you are going to do that. So you are going to come to any place of your room. It could be your room. You just place it on the wall and make sure there is another wall where it is going to capture. So you are going to on it. You press this button, and the moment you press on that button, you see that there is a laser light there that is capturing the wall. So once that wall is captured, you are going to press the lower part of this orange color, and boom, you see this is 13.004 meter. Very easy to measure. Now I want to measure from here to the ceiling. See the way I'm going to do it now. I'm going to place it here, and once I place it there, I press on this button, and the moment I press that button, see the laser light, and I'm going to press this orange color button here, and boom, you see this is 3.429. Very easy. So that is how you can measure the spaces of your building, whether it is the distance or it is the height, with ease, using this tool. If you are a real estate investor, or you are a landlord, or you are interested in growing your wealth, I have a video up here. Tap on it. The video shows you exactly step by step how you can grow your wealth with properties in Ekpe.